You're all set, keyboard primed, make ready, hip to drop into another intense VALORANT. Match your crew up for a quick haram in League of Legions. But then bam, Riot Vanguard, not running, pops up a giant red stop sign between you and your game time. It's incredibly frustrating, isn't it? One moment you're dreaming of clutch plays, the next you're staring at an error message, wondering why your game won't launch and your friends are already in a party without you. This isn't just a minor inconvenience, it's a total buskill that can ruin your gaming session before it even starts. You've tried restarting the game, maybe even but that stubborn error just won't go away. Don't worry, you're absolutely not alone in this digital predicament, and trust me, we've all been there today. We're diving deep into the most common culprits behind this pesky Vanguard error, and more importantly, I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to get you back into the action fast. By the end of this video, that Vanguard not running message will be a distant, unpleasant memory, and you'll be ready to dominate the rift or the battlefield once again. All right, let's start with the age-old fix that surprisingly often works, a good old restart. Sometimes Vanguard just needs a gentle nudge, so try restarting your entire first. If that doesn't clear things up, a clean reinstall of Vanguard can be a lifesaver. Just uninstall it like any other program. Restart your again and then launch any Riot game to prompt a fresh install. This often resolves corrupted files or stuck processes, keeping it from running properly. If restarting didn't cut it, we need to check if Vanguard is actually enabled and running in your system services. Just hit Windows key with tape services and press Enter. Scroll down until you find VEC, that's Vanguard service. Right-click it, then make sure it's set to automatic and click Start if it's not already running. This step is crucial because if the service isn't active, Vanguard literally can't do its job. Believe it or not, outdated drivers or even pending Windows updates can seriously mess with Vanguard. Ensure your graphics drivers, motherboard drivers, and especially your Windows operating system are all fully updated. Vanguard release on your system being stable and current, so head into Windows Update and check for anything pending. Then grab the latest drivers from your hardware manufacturer's websites. A system that's not fully updated can cause all sorts of unexpected compatibility issues. Sometimes your security software, bless its protective heart, can get a little overzealous and block Vanguard from running temporarily. Disabling your antivirus or firewall just long enough to launch the game can help identify if this is the culprit. If the game starts fine afterwards, you'll need to add an exception for Riot Vanguard in your Riot Games folder within your security software settings. This way you stay protected while still letting Vanguard do its thing to keep your games fair.